If you guys heard on the title, yes, it's predictions of Chapter 9, and I'm probably gonna test out the traps. I bought all the traps, so... Okay, so we go in house, so... Prediction of Chapter 9... I think it's a bot. Okay, so... Prediction of Chapter 9... I feel like it's probably gonna be a map of... like a farm or a cave. It's probably gonna be a map of a farm. Everyone was saying it was a farm. Or it could be something else. I think it's just some kind of hideout of like... Oh, they did it. Man, you guys did good. I'll get that. Okay, you guys, I'll get that. And no, boy, Piggy, are you gonna like? No, 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 no! I have the silver key, man. Okay, chase me all you want. Oh, unlock, unlock, unlock. Ah, oh, dang it, we need the code. No, we lost someone. Oh, they unlocked this thing. Okay, so my prediction is that it's gonna be... Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so my prediction is that it's gonna be some kind of hideout. Like, what I mean of hideout, like it's some lab or... Na 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 boo boo. Some type of lab or... It could be some type of lab or something. So just one house. Like, it could be a lab or a cave or a farm, because I mean ponies come from farms. I mean it could be anything. So I'm guessing that it could be a farm. Everyone thought it could be a farm or something. So yeah. My prediction of Chapter 9 is going to be some kind of, like... some kind of farm, some kind of laboratory, or stuff like that. And bot has been selected. So I wanted to do Carnival so far, because I wanted to show you some secrets in Carnival that might reveal Chapter 8. I mean, Chapter 9. We already know what Chapter 8 is, but, yeah, so over here, nothing really. So I'm gonna see what kind of... I'm gonna tell you what kind of skins I like. There could be... I mean, there could be like... I feel like if it's a laboratory or something, it could be what... I have the same evil side as him, except I'm not wearing it. So yeah. Okay, so... Yeah, so it could be a two-headed monster, because I mean, there should be something like... And anyway, so yeah, that's what I think. know how I dodged that piggy. Anyway, why don't you get the green card? Well, technically. Okay, so red key. Orange key. Actually, we already used it. Yeah, so nothing in here. Yeah, so I think there should be a two-headed monster or like at least maybe another predict and I thought of I couldn't get in the vent for some reason. So another prediction could be if it's like probably a farm. I have also a question for like chapter 8. Why didn't you add Zizzy, the zebra? Cuz I mean Zizzy is like part of the crew too. So why not add Zizzy as a skin? Let me Okay, don't know how I did not die there. For some reason, I'm so lucky. On gallery, when I almost, the piggy was camping, and for some reason, when she ran to get me, I dodged her. I jumped over her and ran to the exit. I'm so lucky lately. Okay, now I just need to get this hammer. No, 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 no. Oh, I forgot about Piggy. Ha. Darn! No! Thank you. Oh, yes, just need the hammer. You guys just need the hammer, right? Okay, so we went to school again. Hammer time, boys. Hey, you have the wrench! Get o- Oh, I thought they unlocked the silver key. Okay, guess they didn't. So most... Oh my god, he's... So mostly everybody thinks it's farm, the next chapter probably. And I wanted to show you some secrets on chapter 8, but I guess not today. I don't So, yeah. Okay. Now Biggie's down. Where's so who has the silver key? Nobody. That's probably why. The girl with the wrench. Come on. Going. Anyway, so those are my predictions for chapter 9. And I'd like it to be like a two-headed piggy for like the next chapter. Or at least add Zizzy or something. Because Zizzy's like person 2. Anyway, that wraps it up for today. Hope you guys like and subscribe, except the thing is, let me just win this. And then okay, she has the wrench. Does she have the wrench? Please tell me you have the wrench. Where'd she go? Do you have the wrench? Do you have the wrench? Who has the wrench? Oh my god. Who has the wrench? Oh my god. Nobody has the wrench. Oh, the green door. Oh, I thought we unlocked that already. Man, we didn't unlock so many things. Okay, get that. Why didn't you give the bunny the carrot? I thought you had the carrot. Okay, go over here. Going to unlock the green door. Let's hope it's in here. Are you? Oh, they did it. No, 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 no. I just need to get there. Come on, come on. Just need to escape. Just escape. Oh man, jump over this. And then go, 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 go. Yes! Okay, there we go. That wraps it up for today. So I hope chapter 9 or something is a farm, a laboratory, whatever. And they add Zizzy and all those stuff. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.